Okay, folks, had some questions. 13A and B from page 558, 7.3. It's gonna be a little noisy in here, I think. Sorry about that. Just that's the way this house is, and yeah, just the way it is. Sorry. This is the only time I can kind of do it. So, first question. Start kind of with a bedmass. Is multiplying these two before you add. Okay, so I would do that first, kind of like treat that like it's in brackets and simplify as much as possible first. 5 times 12, that's 60. 60 over 30, 3 times 10, 60 over 30 is 2. So I'm going to rewrite this. So 3 over 2a, now I'm yelling, but I probably don't need to, plus, I'll just put this in brackets. So 60 over 30 is 2, so 2 is on top. A cubed, that's the only one on top. And then it's, what is that? Is that a cubed? No, it's a squared. So it's a squared and a, so it's a cubed over a cubed. All the a's cancel. Good thing I made these brackets so big. B squared over b cubed. The b's cancel, so it's just going to be a b on the bottom. That was worth it, eh? Let me just double check. So that's 60 over 30, so that's 2. A cubed. And a cubed, a's cancel. B squared over b cubed, yeah, so it's just 2 over b. That looks silly. So now, the lowest common denominator is 2ab. Okay? So I have to multiply this side by b over b and this side by 2a over 2a. Okay, before I can add them. So it's 3 over 2a. I think my daughter's trying to be noisier now. Yeah, see? So this is b over b plus, am I on your way? Oh, there's a cat on my chair too. What? 2 over b. Sitting down. Of course, she's got to sneak in behind me. Times AB. So it's got to be 2A. So times 2A over 2A. Equals, so it's 3B over 2AB. 3B plus 4a. You can't factor anything out. There isn't an a or a b or a number that's common on top, so this is it. And we're just going to say that a and b cannot equal 0. This cat is literally trying to push me off the chair. Let me just check my work. 13a, 3b plus 4a over 2ab. Yes. So that's 7.3. Or sorry, 7. Yeah, it is 7.3. 13a. Cha-ching. I will now do 13b. Which is also page 558. It's another kind of order of operations question, just way bigger. So we have 6x over, it's already factored, that was nice, 2 times x plus 3. Divided by 4x squared over 5 times x plus 3. Are you trying to be loud?
What?
Are you trying to be loud? I'm just asking.
I'm not.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's okay. It's fine. You don't have to apologize. It just seems louder. Granted, I'm usually not in here when you're doing dishes. Minus x over 2. Okay, so order of operations. Now, notice this is going to be flipped, so just be aware of our non-permissibles, hey? So I'm going to flip these and multiply. So we have 6x times 5 times x plus 3 over 2 times x plus 3 times 4x squared. So, oh yeah, minus x over 2. So let's simplify a little bit before we get into this nonsense. X plus 3, x plus 3. 6 and 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 and 5 and 4 have no common common divisors, but the x and the x squared do. This squared cancels out with the x, the cat. What are you doing? Ow! Go away. That. So we'll rewrite this. So that's 3 times 5, so that's 15 over 4x. And I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Lowest common denominator here is 4x, because 2 goes into 4x. So this side, we don't have to do anything to it. This side, we're going to multiply it excuse me, by 2x over 2x, because that'll make it 4x on the bottom. So 15 minus 2x squared over 4x. 15 minus 2x squared. That's just gross looking. There's nothing common in the numbers. There's no x here. That's not a difference of squares. Nothing to cancel, nothing to do. So we just got to write our non-permissibles now. X cannot equal -3. That's for both, and 0. X cannot equal -3, 0. And check the answers. That's ugly. That makes me think something's wrong. 13b, 3b plus 4. What? Oh, that's 13a. I was like, what? 15 minus 2x squared over 4x. Yeah, we're good. So there you go. So this is good practice to see that, you know what, sometimes it's just not pretty. So it is 13a and b. Peace out.